Today, what is the date today? It's 17 April, and this is the cat, same bird who met with an accident. She is now recovering, and she has started feeding formula as well, mixed with the medicine. So we are done with the. You see that she's accepting it, and her family they have come to take this bird back. Can just remove your hand? Yeah, I splinted the leg very professionally. Uh, One leg is that is amputated, and one leg is fractured. So we have splinted just to heal her fracture. So, ma'am, can you please describe when you admitted this bird at my place, and how much improvement you can see in this bird? What is
We have admitted her to 10 days before. It will be more than 10 days actually. And the day we have admitted her and today we can see the lots of improvements, freshness in her. Like she is out
she's
of
responding?
trauma
She's
also.
recognizing you,
Yeah,
and
exactly.
she's trying to walk as well, and she
Yes,
is
yes.
taking food.
She's
The
fine
day
nicely, taking food nicely. She's looking fresh, energetic, more energetic than the day we
she
have
is
admitted
using
her.
her amputated leg and the
Yes.
fractured leg as well. See that there she jumps down, and that's another bird which is a mate. That's an older bird, no?
Yeah,
Yeah, it's an older one. And you said me this bird is a wild bird. And today is a time first when this bird is very comfortably sitting on this owner's hand. Do you have to say something?
yeah. Actually, when till today, for us, he is a wild dog, and he never used to come to me or never used to touch,
Allow
me.
you
But
to
now,
touch.
what I am seeing, this is miracle for me. He
Yeah.
is sitting on my hand, and he allowing me to touch. So I am
Okay, okay.
really very happy.
So that's only it took just only 15-20 minutes
Yeah, it's hardly 15 to 20
to teach
minutes.
you the trick how to socialize and how to bond with the birds.
Yes, yes.
Birds, they understand language of love. They understand language of love and special care. They respond to that. If we are, yes, we need to give them respect. See, now he wants me to move. He wants to spend time with you.
She's a gold eater. She loves
Yeah.
my necklace. She always wants to cheer.
Yeah. So cat is going home today, and she was admitted for around 10-11 days. She wasn't. Say that you took him to the vet, and what is the difference between his treatment and my treatment?
Yeah, it was extremely, we can say, different treatment. You have treated it as we can treat as a human, understanding her basic, what we can say, disease or the basic, whatever accident happened with her.
Yes, right.
Whereas a vet has just treated him like it is normal.
Normal first aid.
Normal first aid. That's
They
it.
didn't take X-ray
No,
also,
no,
but
no.
they told you her other part of leg was fractured,
Yes.
but that wasn't.
Yeah, it
The
was.
femur was fractured, and they just he just checked. He didn't take X-ray also.
No,
just
nothing.
had
We
a look
have
on.
just checked. He said कि yes, it is just a fracture. We haven't checked where it is fractured. Wherever they feel that it must be broken.
Yes.
They have just put bandage. They haven't seen the alignment or
And they had wrapped the bandage very tightly, and it had caused swollen on the legs, and it was turning into blue.
yes.
Now you can see the legs swelling has reduced a lot. On the day first it happened.
On
huh?
the day first,
So
when
cat
we
is
have
a very
removed her previous bandage, it was immediately gone down.
So there are some medicines I've given you. Just this one you don't have to give anymore. In case if any bird gets injured, then this is recovery formula mixed with Polite Plus, and this medicine you have to mix in this food. Okay, this you will have to give 3 months. In case if the food is and this formula is about to over, you gonna just you'll have to collect it from me. And this one also you don't have to give it anymore. This one you don't need to give. Calcium supplements I have given you. And this tablet, you have to, you know how much I've told you. One tablet just dilute in 10 ml of water.
10 ml of that.
Yes. So the cat is going home. Very lovely. Sleep good.